How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if your Snapchat video sound is not working. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to check your phone's volume and then also the silent mode. Make sure that your phone's media volume is up. If it is turned down, make sure to turn it up. Also ensure that your phone is not in a silent or the vibration mode, and if you have connected any of the Bluetooth device, then you have to disconnect any connected Bluetooth device, that may be your headphones or speakers. So once you have done that, and if that's not your case and if still the problem persists, then the second option is to look for the updates. If your application is missing out any updates, then the application may not function properly. So for that, you have to open up Play Store in your device. And in the search bar, you have to search for Snapchat and check if there is any available updates. If the update is available, install them all. Once you have done that, you can go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can clear cache and also check the application permissions. So for that, navigate to the Snapchat application, tap and hold on it, tap on App Info. That's gonna take you to the App Info page. So once here, tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, hit back, tap on Permissions and make sure that you have allowed the permissions for microphone. If the permission is not allowed, tap on it and then tap on Allow. Once you have done that, go back, refresh the device or restart the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, and if you're watching a saved or received video, it may not have sound originally or may be corrupted. So in that case, you can try to record a new video with sound and check playback. And if that still does not help you, you can uninstall the application, restart your phone. After that, reinstall the application from the Play Store, log in back and check whether your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if the Snapchat video sound is not working. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.